last time we saw the ACKL team in action was in 2019. Since then, thanks to lockdown and travel bans during the pandemic, they were unable to host nor participate in off-road trial events. Which is why this year the team in ACKL and their counterparts in China have decided to have a simultaneous event, and they had it streamed live. The stage of this competition was at the Semenye Eco Venture Resort and Recreation Park. Two categories were competing on the day, which is the standard class cars and the open class cars. The event would be live streamed between the countries and the competition timed simultaneously. Here's how the action unfolded. The first part was a quick dash up and down this hill slope with a U-turn on the top. Just because it was a simple stage, the competitors were not taking it easy. In the live footage, we actually saw one of the participants catch air going uphill. The second stage has the same starting point as the first stage, but involves a couple of elephant step obstacles and two mud pools. Now you know how the mud waterfall was formed as we were climbing up the slope. Naturally, not every participant clears the stage with minimal drama, but it's for moments like this that the spectators wait for. For those who could not recover themselves on their own, the organisers ensured that there was a recovery vehicle which could assist them. This vehicle was used more than once during the competition. At this point in the event, multiple stages were taking place simultaneously between both class vehicles. Keeping up with the action was getting a little hectic at this point, with multiple cameras set up across grounds. But instead of being a chore, we were having fun being swamped with all the action. Of course, it was the open class cars that would be providing the most amount of violent action. With their PTO winches and locking divs, these machines conquered each obstacle with ease. In the standard class though, it was thoroughly a team effort, like this husband and wife team and their trusty Toyota FJ Cruiser. With a female driver behind the wheel in her first ever competition, a co-driver, a former competitor, was guiding her every step of the way. The sync both of them had allowed them to consistently cross every obstacle with relative ease. It's the tough stages like these where the pros really unleash their bag of tricks, showcasing skill and technicalities not seen by others. They truly push the limit of what's capable without the aids of fancy off-roading tech. The standard class driver skill were even more apparent when the same stage was attacked by the open class cars. The skill set required to tame these open class beasts is different altogether. The day ended with the results of the competition tallied, and soon enough the results were compiled and the victors were crowned. The ACKL members and their BNR International Rally event was proof that if you have the passion for it, there's always a way to work around obstacles to live out your passion.